Hello friends, do you know puppies are born blind and deaf? Yes, it is true. Couple of weeks after birth, the puppy opens its eyes, but still its vision stays limited. Similarly, the ear canal starts opening in the second week. It takes few weeks for its vision and hearing to develop and function properly. Then, how do puppies manage in those early days without vision and hearing? I, Dr. B Ravikumar, welcome you all to Dog the Best Friend channel. Come on friends, today we will know more about the sense of touch in a dog. Puppies are born with a developed sense of touch and smell, but with closed ear canals and eyelids. Puppies open their eyes at about 2 weeks of age, and about the same time their ear canals also open. Even by that time, the eyes are not fully developed and functioning perfectly. So, all these days, puppies rely only on sense of touch and smell to know who its mother is, where it can get milk from, to understand emotions of its siblings, to play with them, and to navigate with the external world. Sense of touch involves how a dog touches other animals, man, or objects, and also how he is touched by other animals or man. Skin has nerve endings for sensations like heat, pain, pressure, chemicals, and movement through which the puppy experiences the world around it. It can make out blowing wind or a fly sitting on it by this sense of touch only. Petting, scratching, massage, brushing, or just keeping a hand on it are all ways of communicating our love and affection to the puppy. The puppy understands our love and affection through the sense of touch and enjoys it. The entire skin records the sensation of touch, but few thick hairs located in specific areas are more sensitive to touch. These tactile hairs are thick, coarse, deeply embedded in the skin, almost 3 times deeper than normal hair with more blood and nerve supply. These tactile hairs are called whiskers. They are located above the eyes, above the upper lip, and on the chin. That's why when a dog is petted at the chin, it enjoys it most. Whiskers are present at the time of birth of a puppy. Their sensitivity can be compared to that of our fingertips. As we make out objects by touching with our fingers, a dog makes out with their sensitive whiskers. Whiskers are like additional sensory equipment to a dog. They help in the dog's vision. Vision? Yes, they help in vision of the dog. We have seen in the last video that a dog's visual acuity is less because of less number of cones in the retina. That means a dog cannot focus and get detailed vision of near objects. It can see long distance objects very efficiently, that too when the objects are moving, since dogs have more rods in the retina. In getting details of near objects, these whiskers help the eye. When a dog is moving, the air current that gets stirred up bounces back after hitting an object. Whiskers detect these subtle changes in air current and transmit the information to the brain by vibrating. Whiskers help the dog navigate its environment by providing additional sensory input, very much like antennae of insects. By this, a dog can know about the shape, size, and also speed of nearby objects. In the wild, whiskers help the dog to see small prey that is right under its nose. At home also, a dog can find its food bowl or toys at night with the help of whiskers. These whiskers protect the eyes also. When a tiny speck of dust falls on sensitive whiskers on the eye, the dog will blink and shake its head to get rid of it, thus protecting the eyes from possible damage. When the dog is moving towards a projected stick or some other projected object, these whiskers detect this and send a message to the brain so that dog avoids the projection and possible damage to the eyes. A dog while approaching a narrow space or passing through a fence, whiskers help to decide whether it can pass through the passage safely. Whiskers help the dog to negotiate with the narrow space between furniture in the home. There is a dedicated area in the brain for processing the data from touch sensors all over the skin. Out of this dedicated area, 40% is devoted for the skin with whiskers only. When we compare the total surface area of skin, the area with whiskers is very less. The fact that a major portion of this dedicated area in the brain is devoted for whiskers and whiskers are directly connected with the brain indicate the importance of whiskers to the dog. Hence, these important whiskers should be protected. Pulling a whisker causes a lot of pain to the dog. When brushing, they should not be run in the opposite direction, and when grooming, whiskers should not be cut. If whiskers are cut, the dog will be devoid of its additional sensory equipment, and to that extent, it becomes handicapped. Puppies are born with a developed sense of touch, and with this sense only, puppies navigate with the world in their early days. Friends, this is the information about the sense of touch in dogs. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share with your friends. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe immediately and press the bell icon to get the notifications. And with this, I conclude this video and see you again in the next video. Namaste.